teachers! Hi parents! This video is designed for you to learn about the 3 different types of videos accessible to you through your website subscription or your school site access account. Make sure you log in to your account so you have complete access and all videos will play. So let's dive in and learn more about how we can maximize your website subscription and give you some great tools and strategies to use with your students in your class or at home with your child. Our video library has hundreds of quality, standard-aligned, and research-based videos available at your disposal. Videos are accessible on demand and can be played from any device. With your subscription, you have complete and unlimited access to every single video on our website. There are 3 types of video lessons available in our video library. The first type of video you'll notice are game-based mini lessons, full of graphics, animations, sound effects, and engaging content. Game-based graphic-packed videos can be found in our Luminous daily puzzle courses, Let's Read Daily Reading Exercises course, and Phonological Awareness Activities course. To access videos, go to the Videos tab at the top of the website. Scroll down to Instructional Videos. Luminous Daily Puzzles are located at the top, organized by course or level. To access each video within the 3 available courses, click on the Preview Videos button. From here, access videos and play in any order that you like. Our Let's Read videos can be accessed from the Videos tab. Scroll through the courses until you get to the Let's Read Daily Reading Exercises thumbnail. Click Preview Videos to access all video lessons within this course. Each video title in this course will tell you the letter sounds, letter combinations, and/or phonemes that are covered in each lesson. To access our popular phonological awareness videos, head back to the Videos page. Scroll down to Instructional Videos. Keep scrolling through the courses until you see the purple and yellow umbrella and video course title, Phonological Awareness Activities. To access videos, click Preview Videos. The title of each lesson will tell you the reading skill practice in each video. The second type of video lesson available to you are video lessons taught by experienced credentialed master teachers. These videos still include graphics, animations, sound effects, singing, and lots of visits by our puppet and animal friends.
What's that, David?
Oh, radio! Great one! Some of the video lessons, including our amazing credentialed teachers, have corresponding worksheets. In these videos, the teacher in the video lesson will complete a worksheet or worksheets with students. We're learning all about how to write the letter A. These videos are meant to be adaptable and flexible to meet your needs. You can choose to play the entire video lesson and have students complete the worksheet with the credentialed teacher. Or simply play the first half of the video in class and stop the video when the teacher gets to the supply check. Corresponding worksheets are linked to the left of the video, so you can print out the worksheet and save it for later. Use the corresponding worksheets for a center station activity, homework support, quiet seat work, or future independent practice. These types of videos are the longest video lessons on our website and typically range between 15 to 40 minutes. Most of that time is due to the students completing a corresponding worksheet or worksheets at the end of the lesson with the teacher. You can cut these lessons in half by simply playing the first portion of the video, watching the on-screen live learning. Then save that corresponding worksheet or worksheets for a later independent activity. So how will you know which videos have corresponding worksheets? Great question. If you see the supplies needed under the video, that tells you that the teacher in the lesson will walk students through a worksheet and remind you that your students will need some supplies should you choose to have them walk through the worksheet with the teacher. This can be a great resource for assigning videos to individual students or to your whole class through your teacher dashboard. Especially if students will be working in a center station, need independent work or repeated practice, or want to do some extra learning at home. Again, videos are flexible and adaptable, so play as much or as little of the video lesson that you want. Which brings me to our third type of video lessons. Video lessons taught by our amazing credentialed teachers. The teacher won't complete any worksheets with students. These engaging lessons are meant to be played in full, where students will watch, listen.
Are you ready to sing with me? Great.
Learn.
Let's go for it on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Participate, read, sing,
Long
chant,
sound all the
laugh,
same.
and possibly even shout out things as they watch the video lesson. Many of these videos have on-screen reading games.
One of my personal favorites. It's called 3, 2, 1, read.
And/or phonics, blending, or decoding skills that are practiced with the teacher.
Think you know how to play? I think you do. Let's go ahead and start our game for real.
You'll notice no supplies needed under this type of video. Because these videos are simply on-screen learning, just press play.
Here comes your next one.
And ignite your students' enthusiasm to learn. Oh wait, it gets even better. Many of these videos do have extension activities and linked worksheets located to the left of the video. For these types of videos, linked worksheets or bundle packs are available for you to extend and continue the learning, giving your students repeated practice on the standard or skill taught in the video lesson. For example, on Monday, you may decide to play one of these video lessons for your whole class or assign individually to students through your dashboard. On Tuesday or Wednesday, you could print out some of the corresponding linked worksheets located to the left of the video. Use the corresponding worksheets for quiet seat work, independent practice, guided whole group practice, partner activities, center station work, word work, literacy block, or include them in your homework packet. Lots of great ideas to help your students get the support they need and thrive. So go explore the videos and linked worksheets and test some out in your class this week. If you have any questions, need any support, or want some help navigating our website, just contact us through the email you see on your screen. Our team of credentialed teachers can be reached at support@luminousmindsinc.com. This website was created to give you, parents, educational organizations, schools, districts, access to credible, research-based, standard online, fun and engaging, easy-to-use resources, all to support what you do best, teach. For more strategies, tips, and ideas, check out another one of our educator training and strategy videos located on our Teacher School Access page.